Hello everyone, welcome back to day 5 of the New York trip. We are currently in New York Central Park Zoo. There were so many birds to see in the indoor section. They have 2 seals out in the water in the Central Park of the zoo. But the main thing is, there's not an awful lot to do in this zoo. It's quite small. Once we'd finished, we headed towards the main fountain in Central Park. And we just headed for a casual stroll during the mid-morning. We did see a couple of squirrels along the way. And you've also got to watch out for the horse and carts. Here we saw Bow Bridge, and also we have the main skyline above New York City near the Central Park. We then headed towards Joe's Pizza and grabbed a slice each. We then made our way towards the 9/11 Museum and Oculus, which is a massive shopping centre. It's quite eerie around the area of the 9/11 Museum. This was in the main entrance to the museum. Here you can see all the names of everyone who's passed from 9/11. From there, we headed towards Carragher's Bar to watch the Liverpool game. The main activity of the night was ice skating. It was underneath the Rockefeller tree and was the best. I'm not the greatest at ice skating, but I did hold on to the side. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.